So what we're going to do is we've got a 6-inch piece of track, and we've fabricated a backer plate to go up underneath the gunnel of the boat. And the reason for the backer plate is we want to spread the load across the gunnel and create a sandwich on the gunnel so that the torque of the vertical tree doesn't put too much leverage. So it's basically we're building a foundation underneath the track to spread the load.
As you can see, we are on a very small boat. This is a 16-foot boat. It's a 1989. I mean, this is an old boat. Now, what I've done here, about the only way I could do this is I've got some Bert's custom tackle track systems. This is a Bert's tree right here. This is a swivel tree. This thing will swivel all the way around if you need it to. It'll swivel at 90 degree increments. And what this allows me to do is, look, I can run 3 planer boards right here, and then say I'm out on Saginaw Bay, I can throw another rod right here. I can put it anywhere along this track system, and I can just swivel it down, put it back up. Wherever I want that thing, I can run a bottom bouncer off this side, and I can run my planer boards up here. It allows me, as a small boat fisherman, to be able to fish effectively, especially with 2 kids.